Hey, what's up guys, it's me Trav, and today I am back with a new video. And today I am talking about this new scooter that I got. Yes, I know I said I wasn't gonna get a new scooter. Yes, I said I was done with scooters because, you know, I had 2 wipeouts. I couldn't get it fixed. I had so many issues, but I was examining this scooter, the Segway NineBot Max Scooter that goes 18.6 miles and up to 40 miles per charge. So, you know, I was doing my research on it and I said, you know what, let me just try this again. You know, that's the reason why I got my Rad Mini power bike, because I got too tired of standing and I wanted to sit down. You know, I'm lazy and stuff like that. But, you know, the Rad power bike, don't get me wrong, it's a good bike, but sometimes it could be too big to take into places where you can just fold up a scooter and basically just carry it in with you. With the Rad power bike, you can fold it up, roll it in, but it's still big. So, you know, I just needed something like a little more mobile, little more easier, so that I could just carry it wherever I'm going. But enough talking, let's get into this scooter, man. Okay, so it goes 18.6 miles per hour, has a built-in front lid light, dual brake system, electrical and mechanical brake system. I'll explain that a little bit later. Max slope 20%. That means if you're climbing up the hill, it goes 20% extra boost going up the hill, so your scooter won't have trouble getting up the hill. And also, it's an IPX5 weather resistance, water resistance. So basically, your scooter won't break down. And it's also powered by Segway, baby. Hey, camera, come here. You gotta look a little bit closer. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Okay, so we got the scooter inside the box. This is what's inside the box. So just like they explained on the video, you have your tools. You have your tools. They give you tools. They give you a power cord. Let's put this to the side. Also, they give you some instructions. Dang, this is a big booklet, thick, but we're gonna throw that on the floor. And we got I think something with the air pump, but we're gonna put this on the side. We don't want to throw this down. And we got the scooter, which is nicely boxed. Take that out. Take that out. And my strap is in the way. And we got the nice scooter. So the scooter. All right, so the handlebars is detached, so we're gonna have to attach the handlebars together. But it's nice. It's a nice scooter. What I've seen on the videos, it's nicely boxed. Segway really did their work. You know, I went on their website, looked at the reviews about this, and so far the reviews are good. I bought this on Amazon because Segway was out. They were sold out, so I didn't know when they was going to get another one. And plus, it was cheaper. I got this for $7.99 and on Amazon. And if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it a few days closer, I guess. But I got mine 2 days. Well, not 2 days, but I got mine a few days after, so I couldn't wait for it to come in the mail. Okay, so this Segway, it has some weight on it. So the handlebars is automatically detached. Alright, first off, you want to make sure that this is clamped in. So we're going to pick this one up. I'm going to put this boy like this. And then we're going to clamp it in like that, right? But then, around here, if you can tell, we're going to just lift these bars up. I'm going to teach you how to actually, you know, assemble it. So basically, you got this clamp right here that's in. You clamp it, it's a good clamp, and then you have something around here, if you guys can actually tell, it's another clamp to make sure that this clamp doesn't come out. So you just push that thing in, make sure that's in, so that this doesn't move at all. So right now it's standing, so it's like firm, as you could tell. Right now we got to get the bars you know, in so that we can ride safely. Right now nothing is connected, so we're gonna get that connected first. So with the bars, before you even screw these parts in right here, you might want to make sure that you connect on the bottom of this, right? There's another cord that's tucked in nicely. You want to pull that out. Here's a connector right here. So this connector connects to something. So down here, it's gonna be another connector. As you guys can tell, it's gonna be another connector. So it's blue and blue. So this connector connects to here. So we're gonna go just do that so that this can power on. Because if this can't power on because it's not connected, it's no good. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just plug them in, push them in. Then you're gonna just push the bar down. You're gonna push the cord down, make sure everything is like neatly. So no hassles, no mistakes, no mess ups. So that's the word. So now that's connected and everything, before we screw in anything, we want to make sure that the scooter turns on. And the scooter turns on. So right now it's on eco, and right now it's not gonna go because you have to push off a little bit, but everything is working. Press that for eco one time, press it again, the light comes on, which is at the front. We got the screws right here. The screws, the Allen key that they actually give you to screw in. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna pull this out. Okay, so what they don't tell you on the videos that I noticed when I watched, that you have 6 screws that actually comes in the bag. They just, you know, tell you only the side ones, the ones that are actually screwed in, 1, 2, and then the other side, which is sorry, you guys can see it, and then the other side is like 2 screws, and then you'll see this one, what I noticed at the front, which is 1, 2 at the front. So basically, a lot of people, they describe only the side screws, but they don't tell you, hey, you got front screws that you need to, you know, screw in. So keep that in mind. 6 screws comes in the box, so it's 2 on each side and then 2 at the front to keep this, you know, baby steady. This is how it looks.